Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your genre preferences on the Bilibili Comics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Me section next to the Library button at the lower right corner of the screen, and go to the Settings button. Tap to the Profile option and click to the Genre Preferences button. And here you can adjust your preferences about romance, teen, urban, fantasy, mystery, comedy, historical, and more genres. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.